Hello friends, how are you? I'm doing good. So because of the universe, so that I want to say thanks to universe. Thank you universe. Now in this video, I'm going to start one more audiobook. The book name is called The Power of Subconscious Mind. So friends, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to provide you audiobooks. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share if you like my videos. Thank you friends. Now we are going into the book. How this book can work miracles in your life. I have seen miracles happen to men and women in all walks of life all over the world. Miracles will happen to you too. When you begin using the magic power of your subconscious mind. This book is designed to teach you that your habitual thinking and imaginary mold, passion, and creative destiny. For as a man thinketh in his subconscious man, so is he. Now, do you know the answers for the below questions? The question number 1. Why is one man sad and another man is happy? Seems both are same human beings only. Second one. Why is one man joyous and prosperous and another man poor and miserable? Why is one man fearful and anxious and another full of faith and confidence? Why does one man have a beautiful, luxurious home while another man lives out a major existence in Islam? Why is one man a great success and another man abject failure? Why is one speaker outstanding and immensible popular and another mediocre and unpopular? So, for these questions, we should think about these questions. So, why is it so many good, kind, religious people suffer the tortures of the mind and body? So, we need to get the answers for these questions. For that, this book is written actually. Now, I am going to tell about the reason for writing this book. It is for the express purpose of answering and clarifying the above questions and many others of a similar nature that motivated me to write this book. I have endeavored to explain the greats of you in the simplest language possible. I believe that it is perfectly possible to explain the basic foundational and fundamental laws of life and of your mind in ordinary everyday language. You will find that the language of this book is that used in your diary papers, current periodicals, in your business offices, in your home, and in the daily worship. I urge you to study this book and apply the techniques outlined therein. And as you do, I feel absolutely convinced that you will lay hold of the miracle working power that will lift you up from confusion, misery, melancholy, and failure and guide you to your true place, solve your difficulties, sever you from emotional and physical bondage, place you on the royal road to freedom, happiness, and peace of mind. The miracle working power of your subconscious mind can heal you of your sickness, make you vital and strong again. In learning how to use your inner powers, you will open the prison door of fear and enter into a life described by Paul as the glorious liberty of the sons of God. Next, releasing the miracle working power for you. A person healing will ever be the most convincing evidence of your subconscious powers. Over 42 years ago, I resolved a malignancy. In medical terminology, it was called a sarcoma by using the healing power of my subconscious mind, which created me, still maintains and governs all my vital functions. The technique I applied is elaborated on in this book, and I feel sure that it will help others to trust the same infinite healing presence lodged in the subconscious depths of all men. Through the kindly offices of my doctor friend, I suddenly realized that it was natural to assume that the creative intelligence, which made all my organs, fashioned my body, and started my heart, could heal its own handiwork. The ancient proverb says, "The doctor dresses the wound and God heals it." I will say one more time this line. The doctor dresses the wound and God heals it. Then we are going to the next step of wonders happen when you pray effectively. Scientific prayer is the harmonious interaction of the conscious and subconscious levels of mind scientifically directed for a specific purpose. This book will teach you the scientific way to tap the realm of infinite power within you, enabling you to get what you really want in life.